The 4,500 psi electric pressure washer is designed with a 20-foot hose and 35-foot power cord, making it highly portable and versatile for various cleaning tasks. Its innovative all-stop system enhances safety by automatically shutting down the motor when the trigger is released, which also helps to conserve energy and prolong the motor's lifespan. Boasting an impressive 4,500 pounds per square inch cleaning power, coupled with a 1,500-watt motor, this pressure washer efficiently tackles stubborn dirt on a range of surfaces. Equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzles and a 450 milliliter soap tank, the washer provides flexibility and effectiveness for diverse cleaning requirements. The pressure washer features a robust design and durable construction, ensuring longevity and reliability for demanding cleaning jobs. In case of any issues, the manufacturer offers prompt customer support to ensure a satisfactory user experience.